Good morning. You can see that Tiger and Luna are very excited by my new whiteboard pens, as mine. And I'm excited because today we're going to do percentages, which is actually my favourite way of representing parts of a number. So far we know that fractions can represent parts or a number or parts of a number. So 1 over 2 or a half, you've got one of the two pieces. If you put into your calculator 1 divided by 2, you end up with 0.5. And of course, if you add 0.5 to 0.5, you end up with 1, which is a whole. Now, pretty but not super useful in the world. The reason I really like percentages, and we talked about this the other day, is percent. We've got our centi in there. Percent is meaning parts of 100. So in a percentage, what we're essentially looking at is like how many of that 100 would be something. So if you say something is 90%, it means that 90 out of 100 people, for example, would do that thing. And where this is really helpful is it can like standardize things. So if you got 15 out of 20 on an English test and you got, let's say, 20 out of 25 on a maths test, which test did you better on? And you're like, oh God, I don't know, because I only had 20 questions, I had 25, which should I do better on? So if we divide 15 by 20, you can do this on your calculator if you want, otherwise you're going to have to trust me on it, you get 0.75. If you divide 20 by 25, you're going to have to trust me on this, I've got my calculator here, you're going to get 0.8. Oh, technically. Now, to convert it to percentages, what you do from here is you times by 100. So 10, 100, 75%, 10, 100, 80%. So we know you did better on this test because we're looking at the same, well, it's an even mark. And that is why percentages are good. Right, dogs?